The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Very good morning, fellas. Don, good morning. Welcome back after a 3-day weekend. Thank you, Ed. Guys, very good morning. Hope you had an enjoyable 3 days. There's the 8 o'clock bell. Markets are, we had fairly decent sell overnight. We've gotten a bit of a bounce back. We do have a fairly decent negative delta in the NASDAQ. We have Canadian CPI today. Good morning, Lori. Michael, Kevin, good morning and welcome back, Kevin. We do have Canadian CPI this morning. I'm not sure if that's why we're kind of stuck, but in any event, coming into the session, at least the 8 o'clock session, the bot is up $675 from early this morning. We'll see what we can conjure up. Let's see. We have no speakers today. We do have, I think I saw Philly Fed. Volume is heavier today. Yeah, we have Philly Fed. A couple of treasury auctions, nothing. No speakers. The new bot. I mean, Nolan, you're in the room every day. I haven't traded the original in 6 weeks. Yeah, we have nothing today, really. Philly Fed, Canadian CPI. No, not the algo. I have not traded the algo at all this morning. Just looking around, I don't see much of anything right now. I'll read the disclaimer, guys, as I do typically, every day I do. And we'll take a look at charts. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for have to break this support here and we can dust. If you guys want to take your risk off, we're holding support, your prerogative. That negative delta growing. We do have an unfinished auction here at 63.50. We'll probably get out of the way first. On. Need to break down through 58. 57. We push to 52. Come on, break this 57. Hit him with a sell program. We're holding that little bit of support, but once this breaks, I think this is Fubardsky. There it is, 57, 56. That's kind of the next target. 56.50. So we kind of hit next target. But if this can break really a little bit of support here at 5-minute support at 56, but if this can break 54, this thing can get shattered. Let me look at this on a 10-minute. Yeah, next 10-minute bar, I think we come 2.5 minutes. Really like to see this 10-minute bar below that 58 level. They just sent in a staggering sum of buyers. 7. A couple of guys in Guam decided to go long. All right, target 1 is filled. We're back to VWAP. Stop is even. And I'm going to try for 98.99. How about 98? That's it. It's free trade here, guys. So I either get a target or I get a break even. We could go 750, just FYI. 726 is Friday's low. Bot is long. Bot is long. I'm going to cancel the pullback entries. And I'm going to take 1 off. I'm not going to hold for target. And I'm going to go to break even. This should now push to my target, guys, at 98. Okay, first target would have been hit. Auto trail just kicked in. I think we can get that 04. Here comes my target at 98. $400 runner if anybody is long. Missed by a tick. Got it. Come on, go get that 04 target. Come on, big guy. Pushing some resistance here. It probably pulls back into the trailing stop, but goes. We're pushing monthly. See that pink line? 99 quarter was monthly support, now monthly resistance. We get up through 701, 702, it gets that target quick. Pushing major resistance here. Minute to the next 15-minute bar. If this can hold on, if the 15-minute here can close above 95, this is going to zip. 45, no, needs to close above 95. We're coming down, fellas, is my opinion. Let me see if I'm getting any lag. 53. I'm not getting any lag. I going up, maybe on the 2-minute. Couple hundred buyers in here, guys. 300, 400 now. NASDAQ on the 10-minute gets above 700. It could rip. I like it longs here, guys. We're going to push up to 06, and then we're going to try to break out. Greg, where's your long? That 22? I like it long in here, fellas. We're 10-minute up. 10-minute longs. I bought 2 back. I'm holding 2. Anybody short, guys? I told you it's short. 65 was first target. We need a breakdown. Doesn't want to break. There we go. It's done. Anybody short, guys? I'm going to buy 1 back if this doesn't break down quickly. I'm trying to get to 21. You're long 61 quarter? Okay. If this doesn't break down quickly, I'm going to cover. I need this to get that. I need to get that swing here.
Order filled.
I'm now up 315 from down 500 on the algos. I don't even know what the hell is firing trades here. Oh, this gold, $1,800. All right, guys, 21 is where I want to get out. 21 if I can get it. Let's call it 24 for 1. Then we're going to have to bust below 17. There it is, 24 for 1. If you're running algos, this is where I'm at. First trade was a losing trade, down 500 and change. 3 trades in a row, winner, winners, chicken dinners, or maybe 4. I don't even know. Computer behind me had 2 trades hit simultaneously. And that is up 300, 320, 320, 315, 315. I'll talk about the bot. I'll talk about the algo this weekend as well. My wife will be in Florida at Disney World with our grandson. So I have time on Saturday morning until I have to go to Atlanta to pick her up. So I'll do education on Saturday morning, 9 o'clock. There's $1,000 trade, guys. If this gets through 61, 62, let's call it 62, it's going to get that next target up, 139 ticks. Anybody long on the bot? It should get that second target now. Anybody long? She's a peach. 69 is the next area of resistance, literally one handle. Come on, don't come 4 ticks shy. Come on. If it gets through 69, it goes 82 and then 600. If it gets through 601, it's off to the races. They're going to annihilate shorts. All right, flat, up 950. I worked a couple of accounts today. One is up 950 on an Apex account. The other is up 130, which was up 6 and change, but all of this is related to gold. The algo was up 315. I shut it off at 315. It's been off since 940. First trade was down. I was down 5 and change, and then it took, whatever trades it did to get to 315. That account is within $50 of being a funded account, and I will start trading PA accounts on the algo. Okay? Anybody